Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I am going to tell you how to fix Meetup app crashes. So let's get started with the video. The very first thing is restart your device. You can click on volume down button and the lock button together. You can press it. A pop-up will appear. Here click on restart, the green icon that you will see. Once you have restarted your device, the next thing you need to make sure is update the Meetup app. Go to the Play Store and in the search bar search for Meetup app. If you get an option of update here, make sure that you update the application. The next thing is you can go to the settings, then connection, and you need to make sure you have stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. The next thing is click on the search icon, search for the Meetup application in the search bar. That will be under apps. Here scroll down and go to the storage section and then click on clear cache at the below right corner. Once you have cleared the data, this will help you to solve the issue. If this also do not fix the issue, the next thing which you can do is try to reinstall the Meetup app. You can click on this force stop over here, click on OK, and again relaunch the application. The last step is make sure that your system is up to date. What you can do is again go to the settings, in the search bar search for system update, or you can search for software update as well, whatever it's in your phone, and then click on download and install and make sure you're using the latest updated version of the software. So this all steps will basically fix the issue. If this do not solve the issue, at last what you can do is you can contact the support team of Meetup. In order to contact the support team, open the Meetup application, go to the home page, and here at the upper right side you will see profile icon. Click on that and then click on settings at upper right side again. Scroll down till the end. Here you will see an option of get help under support. Click on that. A browser page will open here, and here it will ask what do you have a question about. You can choose report a technical issue. It will ask you few questions over here. A pop-up will come. You need to make sure that you are signed in browser as well. Log in with your credentials here. So once you are logged in, you can enter all the details here. Where are you encountering an issue? You can write it here. What kind of issue you are facing, and all the platform you can choose. You are facing it on mobile web or iOS app. You can choose it. Subject you can write here that your app is crashing, and you can write in description here. You can also attach the screenshot here in under the attachments. Just make sure to check in this box and then click on submit. After that you will receive an update on the email. This is how you can fix this issue. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.